Good morning, and here's another positive news story out of Maryland, and it is Sunflower Bakery. And if you want to learn about it, it's easy to find. It's sunflowerbakery.org, and they have a wonderful website, and they have created what we used to term a social purpose business. And this bakery gives an opportunity to people that have difficulty entering the workforce. It's either through maybe a diagnosed or even undiagnosed issue that makes it difficult. There are millions of people that have trouble finding and maintaining jobs, and it's a real problem. It's when I was younger and starting my therapy career, I got a job. The first job I got was working for a nonprofit in Austin, Texas. And one of my jobs was to help operate a Ben & Jerry's ice cream shop that was called a partner shop. And it was a social purpose business. And the idea was to have a place for homeless youth and youth in foster care to learn job skills and learn how to behave on a job, how to interview, how to work with others in a job environment. And it was a successful thing. There are partner shops all over the country. This is what Sunflower Bakery is doing. There are lots of businesses like this throughout the country that provide this service. And I think it's a really terrific thing to do. And if you're in the area, they have more than one location. Check it out on their website, and at the very least, go buy some cookies or something. Support them. Anyway, that is today's positive news. Have a great day.